Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new seed in Grow a Garden 2. So guys, as you can see the countdown here that there will be a new seed in a few seconds. Oh, there is a new Hypnobloom. And I'm going to go to the seed shop. Let's view the new seed. Oh my god, I think this is so cool, guys, but we haven't known the price yet because now it's out of stock. But as you can see here, that is so cool. It's like a magical plant. And let's view the update log. Okay, the newest super seed is here, hypnotizing and controlling anyone who gets in its way. Oh my god, I really hope that I can buy this seed, but as you can see my shekels now, I still need to farm more and more shekels to buy this seed. I think this seed will be so expensive. Maybe it's 20 million shekels, I don't know, but it must be so expensive. Okay guys, and that's all about the new Hypnobloom Seed and Grow a Garden 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!